Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to move tickets to Backlog in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your selected project either from the left panel or right here. In this new tab in the navigation menu above, the tab labeled Backlog should be visible to you. But if not, click on this plus icon at the end of your navigation menu and this tab will appear. In here you can see the Backlog tab under the View section. Click on it and click on Add to Navigation right here. After that, you now have your Backlog tab in your navigation menu. If you want to move it around, you can hold down your left mouse button and move it to your desired place. Now, click on this Backlog tab, and in here, hold down once again your left mouse button on the ticket you want to move to your Backlog section right here. And that is how you can move tickets to Backlog in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.